Happy holidays. This is Ron, the co-founder of FICKS Cocktail Mixers. We are going to be making a twist on the classic margarita. Since it is winter time, doesn't make a ton of sense to be drinking margs by the pool right now unless they are holiday margaritas. We're going to need some candy canes for this one, little Grand Marnier or triple sec, and a big thing of tequila. When you make a lot of recipe videos, the big ones really help. We're going to be mixing these with FICKS Cranberry Punch, which was one of our new flavors. We released it during the holidays. It's really great with Prosecco, champagne, but also tequila. So we're going to make a holiday marg with it today. First things first, you're going to get a cocktail shaker. Throw a handful of ice into the cocktail shaker. Then you're going to take some tequila. We're going to put 2 shots into this one. Then you're going to take the FICKS Cranberry Punch. As I said, this is our newest flavor. It's essentially our margarita mix, which everybody loves, except we added fresh cranberry juice to it. It tastes awesome, and it's perfect for the holidays. So in this marg, we're going to do 1 part alcohol and 2 parts mixer. Then we're going to add Grand Marnier. You could also use triple sec. I really like the Grand Marnier because it has a bit of an orange flavor to it. I feel like it's a very holiday kind of thing. We're just going to add half a shot of that. Okay. So we're gonna give this a good shake now. Should maybe be like 15 seconds. All right. I know we've been waiting for the candy cane part. Here it is. So we're gonna take some candy cane pieces and really crunch them up. This is gonna be our garnish. So you're gonna want 2 plates for this part. You're gonna take 1 for the candy cane pieces and 1 with a little bit of water on it that you're gonna dip the glass in. So it's gonna be able to stick the candy cane pieces to the lip of the glass. So let's get these candy canes out there. Came out pretty well. Oh man, it's really hard not to eat these right now. All right, so take your glass. You're gonna dip it in the water just to get the rim of the glass a little bit wet, and then take it and dip it into the candy canes. Kind of go around the edge. It looks really nice. Again, really hard not to eat these right now, but we're so close. All right, and then you give it a pour. So look at that. Such a Christmassy cocktail. And that's it. Holiday margarita, super easy to whip up. So make sure you have FICKS Cranberry Punch, some good tequila, and of course, a good handful of candy canes, which I'm sure you already have around your house by now. All right, here's a sip shot. Cheers. First candy cane of 2022. A good one.
Looking for more holiday cocktail recipes? Just head over to fixdrinks.com. We've got a ton of them ready for you to shake and stir up.